Njayan.
Hey, it's too much, most.
Aye.
Hey,
Aye.
let's tap a shit.
Aye.
Do what you gotta do.
I don't know what's happening.
Aye.
What's
You
happening?
they can't fuck with you, man.
They can't. It's impossible.
No.
Hey, now
It's not.
splitting
It's not
off.
right.
Now it's splitting.
No,
What's happening?
no, man. It's too much. It's too much.
Corona.
Good days to all our investors. Busy enjoying the meal. You know the what is this called? It's called steak. You know, this kind of steak will not gonna make you not get it right, guys. They say it's lonely at the top. You know why? Because the meals that we eat at the top is not just some normal meal. You know, you need to drink enough water. So it's time, guys. It's that time where you need to download dollars. Downloading dollars now is the way to go, guys. Making money makes sense, guys. This is what happens when now you kill poverty. Instead of eating normal meals, now we eat steak. Are you still okay?
This is the market sniper. They say, give me the roof, I will show you what I'm made of. Give me the roof, I will whatsoever. Payday is every day. Payday is every day. If you do not have this robot, you are in trouble. Yes, we're still counting 50s. But then if you don't, hey, it's too much. 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 Aye, man.
your boy is a forex. So yeah, I made 13,000 on the market. So I decided to save 13,000 to invest.
Sniper, if you don't have this robot, you are in trouble.